Hi, it's Dr. Adam Jaffe from Montgomery Animal Hospital. A question that I get asked fairly often is pet insurance. Should I get it? Shouldn't I get it? Is it right for my pet, my cat, my dog? And it's a little bit of a complicated question, but I'll try and answer it. It's important to know that there are multiple insurance companies out there, but they all generally work the same. You are going to come to the office and you're going to have a service or services performed, and then you're going to pay for that service. Then what we're going to do is you're going to fill out an insurance claim with a diagnosis, or it's going to be a wellness visit, and we're going to check that off, and then you're going to submit that to your insurance company. They will reimburse you based on their reimbursement schedule after the fact, based on what they do for different things. So maybe wellness visits, vaccines, and heartworm and flea and tick, they'll reimburse a smaller amount, but potentially a major surgery, bladder stone, something orthopedic, something more catastrophic, they're going to pay more on. And that's part of one of the things you want to look into. Look at the different companies, look at, what do they pay out more on, and, what are the different types of plans, and try and figure out which one is right for you. Shopping for insurance for your pet is not that much different than shopping for insurance for yourself or for car insurance. You have to find a combination of price as well as benefits offered. And so I do tell people, I do hear often after the fact that people say, I wish I had got my pet the pet insurance. When the dog ate a foreign body and has to have emergency surgery or something along those lines, people look after the fact and say in hindsight, I should have had it. And I tell those people, I understand what you're talking about. So it's also important to know that it doesn't necessarily pay as much for the wellness stuff. You're going to get a little kickback. You're preparing yourself for the catastrophic or for the emergency that's going to cost you a lot more money, and you have to decide, is it worth it? Do I have this crazy chocolate lab that's running around my yard and may tear out his ACL, or do I have the 2-pound chihuahua that never leaves the couch? You have to factor that into your decision as well. And ultimately, it's a risk reward, and you have to kind of do your research, do your due diligence, and figure out if that's what you want to do. And I guess one way you could phrase it is more of a sick insurance, much more so than a health insurance. Yeah, you'll get a little bit of kickback on the healthy stuff, but you're really preparing yourself for something more serious. The last thing is getting insurance earlier versus later on in life is extremely important. When your dog is a puppy or your cat is a kitten, they don't have any pre-existing conditions. So once we document your pet has an allergy or chronic ear infections or something else, you may not be able to reap the benefits of having the insurance after the fact. Your pet has a bladder stone surgery and you don't have the insurance, but then you get the insurance. I don't know specifically, but that may count as a pre-existing condition. You may not get coverage. So I hope that answers your questions. My name is Dr. Adam Jaffe from Montgomery Animal Hospital in Rockville, Maryland. Feel free to give us a call at the number or visit us at our website. Thank you.